This song is hardly dedicated to all mothers. Advance Happy Mother's Day to all. And Happy Mother's Day to my mom. I love you so much and I miss you. Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan. Kahit na sandali ika'y mamasdan, ligaya'y tila ba walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man